serious?
So 2020 has been a strange year thus far, especially for Samsung. So what is up guys, Kiva back here with another video, and today we're going to be talking about glass, breaking glass, and Samsung. That's right, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra has a problem, and that is people are reporting that the glass of their phone is breaking. Well, more specifically, the camera is breaking spontaneously for no reason. I mean, this is even worse than the Galaxy Fold not getting a lot of sales. And to make matters more worse, the warranty does not cover damages such like this. And to make it even more worse, with quarantine, it's gonna be difficult to get a lot of phone repairs to be able to fix this stuff because a lot of people are working from home and not a lot of people can just easily walk out their house right now just to get their phone fixed. I mean, you're lucky if you know how to fix this yourself, but you're probably just gonna have to scoop out $400 if you can manage to find someone to repair it, which is kind of a bummer considering this costs $1,400. Most people would expect the warranty to cover something like this. I mean, I would have if I had bought the phone. It's kind of sad, but some people are speculating that it's a design flaw with a few variants of the phone. It doesn't seem to be a problem with a majority of them, so it could probably be a few models or variants of the phone that probably had some manufacturing defect and of course end up in the hands of consumers. And if you're one of those people, well, you just happen to be quite unlucky in the situation, my friend. So basically Samsung says not our fault, you know, it's your responsibility, so you gotta pay up. So tell me what you guys think about this. Do you think Samsung should have covered damage like this in warranty, or is it okay for you to spend your own money to repair a $400 phone for spontaneously breaking glass? I mean, we don't know much about how people that are complaining about this use their phones, but they say that they have been caring for it. As a matter of fact, one image shows that the person clearly has on a protective case in the device. But for me, in my opinion, many things could cause this to happen. It could probably be exposure to heat, or something could have gotten into the phone if there is a flaw in some variants of the phone that leave an opening for dust to get in and leave cracks and scratches on it and it cracks. We don't know what exactly is happening, but it's crazy times we're living in. So tell me what you guys think about this issue in the comments. Like this video, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video.